Do-it-yourself garden shed / greenhouse, part 4A, framing back wall, no windows. Okay, I got my floor all done. I've checked it, she's square, level, and straight. So now I'm ready to frame up my walls, and that's my favorite part of construction, is framing. Okay, I got my plates cut to fit, my upper and lower, also known as the sole plate. And now I'm just going to measure where my studs to go. Now I'm setting my studs at the 16-inch center. Now I place the wide side of my square, because I'm using rough lumber, so they're actually 2 inches thick. And when you're working with rough lumber, it's a good thing to square up both ends. I want my studs 8 feet long. Before I start nailing, I like to secure my top plate. Now on this job I can use a clamp. Now if I'm not able to use a clamp here, what I usually do is I just toe nail a couple of nails in there just to hold this in place. Now I'm going to double stud my corner studs. Now there's 2 ways you can do this. You can stand your stud up like this and nail it in alongside. What I like to do is put it down like here, and it really stiffens up this corner. Whew! Thing's heavy. Okay, I got my cross braces on this back wall, and now I want to put in some fire blocks. And all I did was I measured halfway, which is 4 feet, and snapped the chalk line, and then took my square and marked where I want my blocks to go. I have my fire block cut to fit, and I had to cut a little jig here for my corner stud.